Here we have some code that will make Adrian write, but there will be an issue with it, because when we hit run, Adrian writes some text, but what he does when he writes, if I just take out 2 of these lines by commenting them out so the computer will ignore them, he writes hello world, but notice how he goes back to the beginning. So he'll write and then go back to the start where he was before he wrote anything. So if we want to get Adrian out of the way, we can use our Adrian.goTo. Now we know he's at x0 and y0. Well, let's keep him at x0 and send him to y15. See what happens. We now get hello world. And in fact, let's make it minus y15, because then he'll go underneath it. So we write line one under the other. Let's copy that and paste it. Make him move down another 15, so minus 30, minus 45. So he says, hello world, my first words were, can you read this? Okay, now this is in the wrong order, so that doesn't make sense, because he should be saying, can you read this? My first words were, hello world. How would we make him do that? Modify this code so that happens. Here's an example of what we got there. And remember that computers and Adrian can't think. They only do what they're told to do. So we have to give them their instructions in the correct sequence. So back to this code. Modify it so he actually says, can you read this? My first words were, hello world. You might need to change the coordinates.